Shake Table Lab by Lillian Richardson and Simone Michaels. Simone and I used the app Sketch to make a diagram for our building. The total height of our building is 28 centimeters and the total width is 19 centimeters. Simone and I had to drill holes in the corners of the cardboard and then put straws through and tape the straws on the other side. We had to do this so we can make our building a lot stronger. We then started making the first floor with straws. We had to use a special technique with the tape to make our building stronger and to make it have more support. When we made the second floor, we had to use more support. We then made X's and taped them to the corners so our building was stronger. When we were done building the roof, we used construction paper and markers in order to decorate it. We chose to do a flower-themed roof. My partner and I used Sketch again. The floor ended up being 19 centimeters, and each straw for the X's was 26 centimeters. To test out our building, my partner and I used 4 bags of rice, which equals 250 grams each. That equaled to 1,000 grams. For strengthening, I made X's to support each story. It helped position our building the right way so it wouldn't collapse while it was being shaked. The strongest parts of our building were the corners of each story. We put a lot of tape on them so they were strong. The weakest part of our building was the roof. The roof was the weakest part of our building because we only used 1 straw instead of doing 2 taped together. The tape really helped us because it kept our building together. The tape also helped us because it made our X's very strong. Extra supplies were construction paper. We both used it to decorate our roof. Our building did great the first couple of times. Oh my god, it's gonna fall already. Oh my god, it's falling.
This is a minor earthquake.
It's only 4. Our building fell at 14 sandbags. We did great. In this graph, the X means how much you're building went side to side, the Y equals how much you're building went front to back, and the Z equals how much your building went up to down. How fun! Our building supported 14 sandbags. My building failed up the stories because my partner and I didn't put supports under each story. I would have made supports in the building because it would have helped keep the sandbags up. I learned how people make our buildings today. I enjoyed having a partner and using teamwork. I also liked thinking of how we could make our building in the very beginning.
My building held 14 sandbags, and it had failed in the middle where the bags were held. And it had collapsed there because we didn't really focus on the middle, and we didn't double the straws there. And on each floor it was 4 squares instead of triangles, and triangles are stronger than squares, so we should have done triangles instead of squares. And I learned the importance of having an earthquake-proof house, especially where we live. And I actually also learned that usually the ones that did the best usually had the most support in the middle. And I enjoyed working with my partner during this project, and I really loved that we got to design a unique roof so not all of them looked the same. And yeah.